Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Now remember here at Chef Dawg, we like to review Costco food. We taste it and we let you know what we think at the end of it. Today, we're gonna do a very popular item worldwide. It's called bacon. Costco, this is a Kirkland brand, bacon, fully cooked, hickory smoked. It goes for $12.99 for this pack. In here you get, I think there's about 50 slices is what it says. So for 13 bucks, you get 50 slices of bacon. So it's not the cheapest. This is how it comes in there. It comes in layers. Now, what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna taste test it for you at different temperatures. We're gonna cook it. So it comes already pre-cooked. You just have to heat it up. So I'm gonna put 5 pieces of bacon on here, which is probably normal for our family. And I like to put them on a paper towel just so they don't get all greasy. All right, and on the instructions, it says to microwave on high, cook 6 to 10 seconds per slice. So that means 50 seconds at the most, or 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go to 30 seconds, gonna show you what we get, and then go to a minute, show you what we get. So if you like crispier, obviously you cook it longer. We'll see if that's long enough. Generally, we do it for about 45, but I'm gonna show you what 30 gives us. Okay, so after 30 seconds, there you go. I'm gonna now put it in for another 15 seconds and show you what it looks like. Okay, see it fizzing? That's better. I like that more. I'm gonna take another one off. There you go, that's 45 seconds. And I'm gonna put it in again for the last 15 so you can see. So this now is for a minute. That is how it looks. That's 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and a minute. We like it somewhere in that range because we like it crispier. My wife, she likes it right here. I like it about right here. Let's do our taste test. Because, I mean, everyone loves bacon, right? I like it a lot. If you don't cook it longer, sometimes on the very ends, that fatty part is just too fatty. It doesn't cook out. If you do cook it a little longer, it seems like you can eat the entire piece of bacon. So for 13 bucks, you can have bacon within what, 45 seconds? And for us, that's why we buy it. Tastes great, love the flavor, but more than anything, I love how fast we can cook it. Give it a taste. Well, here, she went right after the crispy part. Now what about this one? Is that cooked enough for you? Or would you cook it more? Oh, you would tear that off? So it'll cook longer. See, that's exactly it. So for 30 seconds, you don't get as much of it cooked, it seems. And so she right there would have torn that stuff off. Or if you cook it longer, you can see how it's cooked more through. Here you go. So not that we need to give you, tell you how to cook your bacon, but we like it here, huh? I'm gonna give our Costco bacon like an 8.5. What did you give it? Oh, okay. She's just pounding it now. She's eating all the crispy parts. So clearly she likes it crispy. Chef Dawg, we literally like it crispy, but. So we highly recommend the Costco Kirkland brand bacon. Thanks for watching, Chef Dawg. Have a good one. Bye.